Hey, welcome to the channel. Yeah. I know. It's been almost a year, a lot of time. I stayed away from Go High Level and all those things, and the even online business side of thing, I left it aside because I got an opportunity with something I loved, and I started doing that. Anyways, I'm back again because since a few months I started taking clients for working on their Go High Level automations and all. So recently I completed a custom build for a client for $3,500 last month in January and February, sorry. So this one's a part of this. I'm going to make this one a short one about how to make custom dashboards. How to make a custom dashboard report in GoHighLevel. So the actual build that I made, I'll make a separate video about it. It will be a long one. So for now, only this custom dashboard, how you can make it, because when we go to Go High Level, you can see this one is a generic dashboard that you get initially. So everyone use Go High Level for different reasons, and they need different reports within their dashboard for an easy access to understand their business, their performance reports and all. So this client, I'll share it in the full video that they just we're using Go High Level. They just recently signed up and they wanted to use Go High Level only for speed to lead and for the task management for their reps, their CSRs, their sales reps. So they just wanted a report on those. So I made a custom one for them. You don't have to use, they didn't want any fancy looking dashboard like different colors, CSS and all. They just want a simple dashboard but with a report. So here's the dashboard I made. All right, first of all, if you're new and you've been trying to create a custom dashboard in Go High Level, all you need to go is go here, add a dashboard, and you go here, edit, and you can create different kinds of dashboard using different elements from the options they have given here in the dashboard. For example, context, you can use the contact counts, source, and all those things. And you can make dashboards by appointment, opportunities, visitor data, email, calls, conversation, and all those things. So my client, he just wanted report for the opportunities that enter their pipeline and how the reps are performing, their CSRs or the sales CSRs are performing and all those things. So I had to make them the report based on that. So I had to make the reports based on that. So here's an example I'll show you. If you want to add a contact counts, you can a contact count and add the condition, the filter here, anything, you can make it. So I'll share a long video about it later. So I'll show you this one, how I made it. Save changes. Okay, edit dashboard. So first one is just total opportunities, how many open, lost, and they want another one with won and lost opportunities. So I added this one, and just it's a count of opportunity, the status, and the condition filter is the status is won, and these are the custom fields that I made for the client, the lead opportunity, the lead type, what kind of leads they are getting, the roofing, sliding, and all those things. Then the next one is the status is lost. So this one will show both of them. Right now it's only showing the lost because I think they haven't closed the client yet. Okay, so next one is the lost reason. So reason is I made a disposition list in their opportunity and also in the contact, so they can update it from the contact, and it will be populated in the opportunity field also, the reason for their lost. So it will be populated here also. So I think it's just fairly new, only a week, so there are not much data in here. Then there's win rate by source. So win rate by source, count of opportunity, grouped by source. So this will show the win rate by source after they start closing clients and they mark it win in their opportunity. So this one's same but a little bit different, win rate by rep. So status, and I had to add a condition here, status one, assigned to, and the assigned user. So the reps it'll show up here. Then revenue by trade, revenue by source, and all those things. And all their leads are coming from webhooks, and the leads are being provided by some different, third-party platforms. So they need to know the quality of the lead and all those things. So by this report, they can, understand it very well, that which platform that are sending them leads are performing better and all, and they can, make decisions based on that. So this one is CSR performance dashboard. So this one shows how many, CSRs are assigned to which contacts and how many contacts. So they can easily know which one's, working better, which one's, working good on the speed to lead side of the thing, and the performance of the reps, all those things. And here's the leads that are being nurtured. They are not using emails and SMS. They are just doing call. They're calling their clients after they get the lead, and immediately after they get the lead. So, and they follow up with the lead if the call is not received or all those things. And so, and that is also been tracked via I have set up the custom fields and all. So it's a little bit different. So you just have to, I'll show you how. Go to edit. So actively, this is the name that I gave. Count of contact, group by SID. And the condition is I have added the tag that the lead will get when they are being actively nurtured. So that's life cycle active nurture. And right now I think they are nurturing, where is it? 45 leads right now. And finally, and this one's a task. They can go to the users and see the task that has been, given to them, delegated to them. And the last one and the final one. So, okay, this one's a disposition that is being used. It's also, tied with the loss reason. So the reps, they just have to, go into the reps, they just have to go into their contacts that they are calling or opportunity, and they have to update it, the drop down, the disposition is a drop down to automation will be triggered. The next ones, the nurturing automations, the other ones that I've set it up, and the appointments and all those things. So these are the dispositions. And finally, they wanted a report for the business hour and the after hour lead also, so that they can know which leads are coming in the business hour and which are coming in the after hours, so that they can, get back to their lead source and, have a talk with them. Anything they can do, they can ask them to improve the lead, send them in the business hours and all. So that's another thing. I think they wanted this, and for this I had to make a different automation. I'll show you here. Go to automations. So these are the automations that I made. So this one's the one. It's a simple one. I just created a custom field named in a drop down, named business hour lead and after hour lead. So the contacts mostly enter this automation via this contact tag, and new lead is and a tag is added to the lead, new lead whenever a new lead comes in the other automation. And when the tag is added, this automation is triggered, and they go to this if and else section. So it's a simple one. You can also try this and use for yourself and make a report for your business too. Business hour current day is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and time of day is after 9 a.m. and before 5 p.m. And the next one's just empty. So you can do that, and so you can also make these. And after this, there's two branches. So if they go through this branch, they take this. The custom field is updated for the contact as business hour lead, and also a tag is added in the lead, so that they can go to the contact dashboard, and they can filter it out via tag and know that which one is from business, which one is a business hour lead, and which one is an after hour lead. So this was the automation that I made for that hourly based report. You can do it yourself also. And by the way, I left the agency side of the things, only working as a freelancer, and if I get time for this. So if you're a business owner or an agency owner, you want you want to build custom automations for your business or anything else in GoHighLevel, or want the support for your GoHighLevel agency or anything like that, monthly support, I'm providing that. So you can just check out my services and reach out to me also. I'll leave the link of the website that has all the information about my services in the description below. And if you're new to GoHighLevel and just checking out, you can just sign up using my affiliate link also. I'll set up your account free if you use my affiliate link. Hope you like the video and hope this video was helpful for you. That's it. Bye.